Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually get your Metamask wallet set up to interact with different blockchain networks other than just the default Ethereum. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use one of my favorite blockchain networks, which is Avalanche or AVAX. So all we got to do is a quick Google search that just says add AVAX to Metamask. And you can see the first thing that pops up is actually a support document from the AVAX network itself. So we're going to click on that. And that's just going to show you how do you actually get your MetaMask set up where it can actually work with the Avalanche network versus just only the Ethereum network. Now there's lots of benefits to using the Avalanche network that I'm not going to go in. But what we're going to do is we're just going to follow this little step-by-step process. And the main things that we're going to need right here are this right here. So we're going to grab this network name, which is Avalanche Network, and we're going to come over here and we're just basically going to click on MetaMask. So if you have this page open still, you can just click here and click Add Network. If you don't have this page open, you can just come here to your little MetaMask browser here, and then you can just come over here to your settings. And then in your settings, you'll see where it says networks. You can just click on network. You can see all the different networks. This is just the Ethereum network here and all the Ethereum test networks. And we're just going to click on this button that says Add Network. And we're just going to fill out this information here. We're going to give a network name. We're going to give a new RPC URL, which is actually the URL of the network. So we're going to paste that in here where it says new RPC URL. Now we need a chain ID, so we're going to grab the chain ID from here. And we need a currency symbol, which is actually optional, but we're going to go ahead and give it. It's the AVAX symbol. And then we need the block explorer, which is also optional, but we're just going to go ahead and grab it from here. And we're going to paste that in there. And then we're going to hit save. Now we've actually added the Avalanche network to our MetaMask wallet. So you can see if I come up here now, or if I click up here, you can see I have a drop down where I can change from the Ethereum network to the Avalanche network. All right. So if we want to add another one, like Binance Smart Chain, we can just do add BSC to MetaMask. And you can see right here is a support document from the Binance Smart Chain. And it's going to tell you how to actually get everything set up on MetaMask. And it's going to be exactly the same. We're going to just grab this network name, which is Smart Chain. We're going to come over here to MetaMask. And we're going to click this button here. We're going to click on Settings. We're going to go down to Networks. We're going to add a new network. And we're going to give the network name of Binance Smart Chain. We can give whatever we want. I'm going to just call it BSC because that's easier for me to remember. We're going to grab this new RPC URL from here. We're going to pop that in here. We're going to grab the chain ID for Binance Smart Chain. It's 56. We're going to add that in there. Currency symbol, it's BNB, so we're going to grab that. We're going to paste that inside there. And for the block explorer, we're going to grab this bsscan.com, and we're going to paste that inside there, and then we're going to hit save. Now you can see I have, if I go back to account 1, I have my different networks here. I have the Ethereum main network, I have the Binance Smart Chain, and I have the Avalanche network. Up here in my little extension icon, I have a way where I can switch between these different networks. All right, my Binance Smart Chain, my Avalanche network, I can switch between these different networks. So now you can see and understand how you can actually add different networks to your MetaMask wallet so that you don't only have to interact with the Ethereum blockchain, but you can interact with all these other different blockchains. For example, if you want to add the Polygon, add Polygon to MetaMask, you just do a Google search, and you'll be able to see here is an official document from Polygon on how to actually add Polygon to MetaMask. So you're just going to find the Polygon, and then here is the information that you're going to need for the mainnet for Polygon. Here's the information that you're going to need. And it's giving it to you all up here. So Polygon mainnet. We're just going to do this one more time. And let's come in here. And let's go back to our settings. Let's go back down to networks. Let's go to add a network. And let's add in Polygon mainnet. We're going to grab that. Here is the URL that we need right here. So we're going to grab that. We're going to paste that inside there. We also need this network ID. It's 137. So we're going to grab that. We're going to stick that inside there. And we're going to grab the currency symbol, which happens to be Matic. So we're going to grab that. We're going to stick that inside there. And then we're going to grab the Block Explorer, which is right here. And we're going to go ahead and put that inside there, and then we're going to hit save. And now look, we've added Polygon. So far we've went ahead and added Ethereum. Comes by default because it's like the main network, and it's probably one of the oldest crypto networks that exist, other than, you know, Bitcoin, obviously. We've added our Polygon network, we've added our Binance Smart Chain, and we've also added the Avalanche network. All right, so now you know how to easily go in and actually add different blockchains and different networks into MetaMask, so that you can interact with them through your Web3 provider, so that you can, you know, interact with dApps, which are decentralized applications. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how can you actually get money into your MetaMask wallet. How do you fund it, and how do you get money inside your actual wallet?